Namaste. My name is Javian Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you mixing. Now let's start the topic. What is mixing? Basically, we are talking about bakery industry. Then dough mixing is an important process in bread making, which directly affects the product quality. It both homogenizes and hydrates the ingredients in dough. Then what are the functions of mixing? First of all, disperse the recipe ingredients uniformly. Enable full hydration of these ingredients, especially flour protein. Then provide the necessary energy for gluten development. Then incorporate air bubbles within the dough to provide gas nuclei for the carbon dioxide generated from yeast fermentation. Then it is incorporate oxygen for oxidation and yeast activity. Provide a well developed dough in a suitable form for subsequent processing. Then choosing the right mixture. It depends on what will you be mixing, what type of uses do you expect from the mixtures, and how much you will be mixing. Then types of mixtures used in the baking. There are two types of mixtures. First is continuous mixture, and second is batch mixture. First is then batch mixture is further classified into three: vertical or planetary bakery mixtures, horizontal bakery mixtures, and spiral bakery mixtures. Then first of all, continuous mixtures. These are generally of rotor within a barrel variety where the ingredients are incorporated at one end of the extruder and the dough leaves the mixture at the other end in a continuous flow. By arranging different arms and stators along the length, it is possible to alter the mixing actions within the range of blending, dispersing, aerating, and kneading. It is possible to feed all the ingredients at the start of mixture or have successive along the barrel so that different additions can be made after appropriate intervals. Then vertical or planetary bakery mixture. Planetary bakery mixtures are also known as vertical mixtures, get their name from the orbital motion the dough agitator makes, which are circular orbits along the inside wall. The mixing bowl that is used stays in place while this happens. Then advantages. Use a broad range of attachments which make them very versatile. Planetary bakery mixtures are capable of mixing, whipping, blending, and stirring various types of dough mixtures. Better hygiene and better food safety are guaranteed with the planetary mixers. Planetary mixture machines come with detachable bowls, mixing elements, removable covers, bars, and other components that ensures minimum human involvement. Then disadvantages. Planetary bakery mixtures are not able to mix as much dough at one time as other mixers. They tend to be slower than other bakery mixtures. Since they mix smaller batches of dough, planetary mixtures must use downsized bowls and agitators. Then horizontal bakery mixtures. Horizontal bakery mixtures are the type typically contain a bowl that tilts to remove dough when mixed. The beaters are driven horizontally within the bowl on one or two shafts. How the dough is cut or stretched depending upon the size and speed of the blades. Then there are types of horizontal mixtures. First of all, three roller bar mixture used to roll and stretch dough, which allows it to develop proper gluten structure. Then single sigma mixtures suitable for cookies, crackers, corn tortillas, and biscuits. Then double sigma mixtures used for soft dough, cookies mixes, cake, pretzels, muffins, energy type bars, and scones. Advantages are very powerful mixtures, therefore able to produce tough dough more rapidly. Good and accurate control of the temperature of the mixing bowl from a jacket with constantly circulating water or refrigerant. Ingredients can be added through the roof of the horizontal bakery mixture while the beaters are moving. Then spiral bakery mixtures. The spiral shaped dough agitator gives spiral mixtures their name. Unlike the planetary mixing bowl that remains stationary, a spiral mixing bowl moves while the agitator remains in the place. Spiral bakery mixtures are often the mixture of choice for the bakeries. Advantages are more effective than the traditional beater. More dough can be mixed at once in a spiral mixture. There is a less resistance on the spirals and this helps to control the temperature of the dough and will ensure proper rising and easier kneading. There is no need to use downsized bowls and agitators to mix small batches. Disadvantages are the only suitable for mixing dough and not for the whipping. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is co-powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.